In video number 21, I explained you to multiply the expressions like this. Means there was a binomial or trinomial, and the one part was a monomial. Okay, like 5x. Okay, we have done like this. In this case, we have to multiply this 5x as 5, and then when x means it will be what? It will be multiplied with this. So 5x is going to multiply with 5. It will be what? 5 into 5. That is, this you have to do it. Then x plus x, and then 5x. Look at this, 5x is as multiplied with 5 here, and then 5x is multiplied with x. Now solve this. 5 into 5, 25. There is no x here, so it will be remain like this. And this will be what? 5, because there is 1. And this x and x is also here, so power will be going to add, it will be x square. Okay. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you when both the numbers are not monomial. Means both the numbers are not monomial. For example, let us take a simple here question: 5x minus 6. Sorry, plus 6. Both are not monomial. Both have more than one term. So now what to do is here. Again the same thing. If the bracket is not here, suppose don't put bracket, then what do you understand by this? Here the multiplication sign is between x and 5x. So this implies that we only multiply this 5x and x. We will not multiply this thing. The answer will be what? 5 plus 6 will be 11, and this will be what? 5, here it is 1, 5, x, and x will be x square. So the result will be this. But this is not the thing. Okay, the question is in the bracket. Now what to do here? It means that this whole thing, or you can say this thing, anything you can take, this whole thing is multiplied with this whole thing. Let us take this one. Means this whole thing is going to multiply with this whole thing. यानी ये पूरी चीज़ से multiply हो रही है. What is there in the whole thing? 5 and x. What is there in the whole thing? 5x plus 6. So this 5 is going to multiply with these number one by one. Means this is going to multiply with this and this. Okay. So this 5 is going to multiply with this 5x. Remember, it's very simple. This whole thing is going to multiplying with this. What the whole thing includes है, इसमें क्या चीज़ है? 5 plus x. So this 5 is going to multiply with these number, and then x is going to multiply with these numbers. So let us multiply step by step. 5 is going to multiply with 5x. I have written like this. Then plus, and this is what? Plus. So it will be, answer will be plus 5 and multiply with 6. So 5 multiply 6. See, this 5 has multiplied with both this term. Now let us take x. X is going to multiply with 5x, and x is going to multiply with 6. So it will be plus, and this is also plus. The answer will be plus. Now x multiplied by 5x, and then plus x multiplied by 6. Apply the BODMAS rule. We only do multiplication first. So 5 into 5, 25, because the numbers are constant are going to multiply. Here it is x, there is no x, so it will be remain x. 5 into 6, 30. Now 5, here it is 1, so 5 1 the 5. X and x will give you what? X square. 6 into 1, that is 6x. Look at, is there any like term? Yes, this is a like term. Okay, so it will be what? 25. The answer will be in x. 25 plus 6, it will be 31. So 31 plus 30 plus 5x. If you want to look at more beautiful, थोड़ा खूबसूरती बढ़ाने के लिए, तो you can write like this. Okay, this is the answer. Now another question. Here I have taken, see, this is not a monomial, it's a trinomial. 3 terms are there. This is not a monomial, it has got 2 terms binomial. So this whole thing is going to multiply with this whole thing. You can take this. Okay, let's take a smaller expression. This whole thing is going to multiply with this whole thing. What is this whole thing includes? A and minus b. What is here? 1 minus a, b. So this a is going to multiply with this one, and this one. Very simple. So 1 multiply a, then there is a minus sign, and this a plus, the result will be minus. So a multiply a. Then it is what? B, sorry. It will be plus b multiply a. The work is a is over. Now let us take b. It is going to multiply with these terms one by one. Okay. So b is going to multiply with 1 plus 1. So it will be plus 1 and multiply minus b. We are actually multiplying minus b. Now minus a multiply with minus b. And then plus b is going to multiply with minus b. Since there is a minus sign, so I am putting in bracket. Okay. Let us solve this. There is a multiplication sign. Now a into 1. Okay. This 1. So 1 into 1. 1 and a. So a into 1 is a only. We do not put 1. And then this. It is what? Minus and this plus. The answer will be minus. A into a. Same numbers are there. Power are going to add. Power is 1 and 1. So it will be what? A square. Now this will be what? Plus. We will write alphabetically. So AB will write. Okay. You can write B also. That is also correct. But to avoid confusion, I am following the alphabetical order. Now 1 and this is what? Minus B. See, this is a 1 and this is what? There is a minus 1 written here, hidden. So the answer will be minus 1 and 1, minus 1, and this will be B. We do not put minus 1 here because it is hidden. Then minus, this is what? 1 and this is 1. Minus 1 and minus 1. It will be plus 1. So we do not write plus 1 here. A and B, they cannot multiply, so they can be written like this, side by side. Now look at this. It will be minus B square. Now underline the like terms. See, this is a like term. The rest of things will be same. A minus A square. This and this will be what? The answer will be AB. What is the number here? It is 1 and it is 1. It will be what? 2. So plus 2. Minus B and minus B square. This is your answer. So children, likewise you can do questions from 9.4. Let us take few questions from 9.4. Here it is exercise 9.4, question number 1, third part. 2.5 L minus 0.5 M multiplying with 2.5 L and plus 0.5 M. Okay, we can identify, we can use the one identity over here, one formula is also there, but we will not use this. Let us first make the ordinary multiplication. This whole thing is going to multiply this whole thing. This 22.5 will multiply by each number. So this 22.5 L is going to multiply with 2.5. Initially you will have some problem. You have to write a lot, but after few questions in practice, you will be mastering this. You can do directly. So let us solve this like this. See, this 2.5 L will going to multiply like this. So 2.5 and 2.5 will be, if you remove the sign, multiply 2.5 and 2.5, because they are numbers, they are going to multiply. So if you avoid this, put the forget the sign, sorry, point. So it is 25 into 25 is what? It is 625. Now how many decimal numbers there are? 2. So put, it is what? 6.25. So here you can write 6.25. Now this L is going to multiply with this L. It will be L square. Now it's time for this to multiply with this. अब इसको इससे multiply करना है. 2.5 and then see 2.5 and 0.5. Again forget the point. It is what? 25 and 5. When you multiply 25 and 5, you will get what? Put how many decimal numbers are? 2. So it will be 1.25. So you have to write plus 1.25. How you can do it in a very simple way. Now this number is going to multiply with this number. Now L is going to multiply with M. Though both are different variables, so they will be written side by side. They will not multiply. Okay. Now this 0.5 and this, now this time of the work of this is over. Now it's time for this. This is going to multiply with this 0.5 and 2.5. This is minus. The answer will be minus 0.5, 2.5. Just now we have seen it will be what? 1.25. And it is what? L M. Alphabetically I am following. Then it's for the thing. It is minus and this is what? Plus. The answer is minus 0.5 and 0.5. It is what? 25. 0.25 m square. Now look at the like terms. These are like terms. Both have got the same numerical coefficient. Look, 1.25 minus 1.25. So these are going to cancel each other. It will be 0. Okay. So your answer will be 6.25 L square and minus 0.25 m square. This is your final answer. Now another question. This is going to multiply with this. But before this, there's a 1 4 here. Okay. It means that you have to first solve this. So you write like this as it is. This is going to multiply this. 4a square and then it's going to multiply with this. So 4 into 2, it will be what? 8 upon 3 and b square. Okay. Remember, this is what, let me explain this more clearly. It is 4 multiplied 2 by 3 b square. So this is going to multiply, that will be what? 8 by 3. So that is 8 upon 3 b square. Okay. Now 3 upon 4a square plus 3b square. Okay. Now these are going to multiply. Again, same thing. Take the very first term and multiply each by each term. So 3 upon 4a square is going to multiply with this first term, 4a square. Then plus 3 upon 4a square is going to multiply with this, that is minus 8 upon 3 b square. Work of this is over. Now it's time for this. If this is going to multiply with this, minus 8 upon 3, bring bracket, you have multiplied. Solve it. 4 1 times, 4 1 times. Now this is what? Look at this. You have to solve this. 3 into 1, 3. A is going to multiply with a square. It will be what? Power is going to add. So it will be what? 2 and 2, 4. Now it's time for this. This 3 and this is going to cancel. 4 1 time and minus 2 times. Okay. The answer will be minus 2 and this a square and this b square. And 3 into 4, 12, a square and b square. Then 3 1 times, 3 1 times. Now 8 and this 1. So 8 b square and this b square. Will be b to the power 4. This is a minus and a plus. Sorry, this is plus, this is minus. So the answer result will be in minus. Okay. So now you also have to do with me. If you are thinking that only watching the video you can be able to understand, no, it's not possible. you have to do the same question once again, and then you have to recheck your mistakes from my video. Okay, so when you will not do the things like this, you won't be able to understand. Now look at this. This is a like term. Okay, so we'll write like this. Now it will be plus 10 a square b square minus 8 b to the square. So this is your answer. Now children, in exercise 9.4, you can do the first question. There will be no problem. There will be no problem in question number 2 also. That is also simple multiplication that I have already explained you. And I have taken question number 1, first part of question number 3. First part of 3, third question. Simplify this. Simplify means you have to work according to the sign. Okay. See, first thing is the bracket. According to BODMAS rule, see here what you can see. We can see bracket here. We can see minus sign, plus sign, and one more sign. Can you identify? Yes, it's a multiplication. So first of all, let us solve the bracket. Can you solve this x square and minus 5? No. Why? Not like terms. Same way with it also. We cannot solve the bracket. Now it's time for multiplication. So let us solve the multiplication. Okay. This is going to multiply with this. So x square is going to multiply with x. It will be what? X power is going to add. It will be 3. X square is going to multiply with 5. Remember, when you have taken this, it will be multiplied with both these terms one by one. Now x square is going to multiply with 5. It will be what? 5 and x square. 5 यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है 1. So 5 is going to multiply with 1. It will be 5 and x square. Then it's time for this minus 5 and this is x. So it will be what? Minus 5x. This is minus 5 and this is plus 5. It will be what? Minus 25. And then this 25 will come here. This 25 will come here. Now look at the like terms. No like term is there. This is a like term. 25, 25. These are going to cancel each other. It will be 0. So your result will be x to the power 3 plus 5x raised to the power 2 minus 5x. Likewise, you can do the rest of the questions, and for any problem you can contact me, or you can message me, or you can also call me. Okay, thank you so much.